Hello, my name is Adam Bayless. I'm with Van Meter. Today I'm going to be going over pulling rope kitting and the importance of pulling rope kitting and why we do it and how we do it. Today I'm going to be showing you the Southwire 9/16 rope along with several other tools that we use in wire pulling that sometimes get overlooked. So on the outside of our kit, you'll see I have a few things hanging here. There's several items that get overlooked on a wire pull. When guys are getting set up, they might forget a clevis, or they've got to get some cardboard and duct tape because of a sharp edge. So we want to be prepared for those things up front. That way you're not sending a guy searching around the job site, or possibly even sending a guy all the way back to the shop, which can be time consuming. On the outside here, you'll see I have two clevises hanging on the outside here. My larger for my heavy conductors and my smaller for the smaller conductors. This will fit under 2-inch conduit. We have our quick links. The quick links are great because in the past, when you wanted to complete a 1,000-foot wire pull, you needed a 1,000-foot rope. Well, that became very cumbersome because that rope might just be sitting around the shop because a guy might not want to use it because it is much larger, it's much heavier. Now we have the ability to link through the eyes of our rope with quick clevises, link our two ropes together, and be able to walk safely around the capstan. To use the soft shackles, you'll just take the two eyes of your rope and you'll connect them using the quick links. So simply by slipping the knot through the eyelet. Once you've put all three of these into the system, you have now created a bond just as strong as the original rope at 32,000 pound tensile strength. And that knot will shrink down and safely go through your conduit and can easily be wrapped around the capstan without having to stop the wire pull and pull out extra to continue your wire pull. And once you're done, you can separate those two ropes back out and you no longer have to have a 1,000-foot rope to do a 1,000-foot wire pull. So we keep those as part of our kit. Along with our kit, we use our SLIDEit. The SLIDEit is great. This is your replacement for cardboard and duct tape. It has magnets on the back side, so it will stick to your panel. The wire can ride safely across it and away from sharp edges. You are able to wrap your wire in this SLIDEit, stuff this up in the conduit. It will not get sucked in as you're pulling wire, and this will protect your wire from the connector itself as you're feeding in. This is just an easy thing to keep on your kit, and that way you do not have to send a guy searching around the job site for something that the wire can ride across. In conclusion, this is how we prefer to kit our ropes, the items we keep on hand at all times. If you have any further questions, please reach out to myself or any of your inside or outside salespeople with Van Meter. Thank you very much.